It's 3 o'clock. Boarding in 30 minutes. See y'all at boarding. We'll be back. It's very fun while lasted. 25 is right here. It's got a good window alignment. 24 and 23. 25 and 23 are good alignments. I think so. Alright, y'all, all settled in. We got pretty good leg room. This is the regular 737-900ER. As you can see, there's a very dirty window. Not Alaska Airlines fault. Beautiful view, good alignment. And there's no USB here, but the USB is right down here next to the actual outlet. Leg room's still good. Feels good to have scimitars. I love my scimitars VR. Push it back a little bit late, like probably 10 minutes late. Supposed to leave at 4:10, but we're good. Still getting everyone on board. See y'all at pushback.
Pulling on the ends. The bag will not inflate, however, oxygen will be flowing. Put your mask on before helping others. Keep it on until you're advised by a crew member it's no longer necessary. There's a life vest under your seat. Infant life vest will be provided if needed. If instructed by a crew member, remove your vest by pulling the red tab and tearing open the bag. Place the vest.
This is gonna be a cozy flight, bro. We don't got anyone in the aisle. No one came in the aisle, y'all. Let's go. Confirm me there was a 777-200 air fence that's taking off. It's pretty cool. Alright. Seattle, you're really great to us. What a beautiful city. Epic turn we're taking to the east. So that's it over there. Yeah, there we go. Wow, look at that. Just coming from underground, going over the bridge. It's so cool. Steep turn, I love it. That was awesome. There's the airport over there. Or that's Painfield. Airport's back there. Yeah, Painfield's right there. Bye, Washington. What a beautiful fucking state. Alright, y'all, we have a free snack here. We're currently about an hour into the flight. I'm pretty sure we have already left the state of Washington and we're going into Wyoming, Idaho area. Unfortunately, the flight map is unavailable, so we'll see if it kicks in any more in the flight. Finish these delicious pretzel sticks. Get ourselves a nice little beer. Beautiful view of the Rockies, however. Unfortunately, we are seeing a lot of forest fires. There's a lot of them. taken care of, but as you can see, it's beautiful Rocky Mountains, very nice. Here's the sunset over Nebraska. Almost about halfway into the flight. Got about a couple hours left. There's Nebraska. Alright, and we are making our bank to the south over Nashville. Should be descending pretty soon, but there's Nashville from the air. 8:17 Pacific time, 11:17 Eastern time. Should be landing about 30, maybe 40 minutes or so. See you soon. Alright, y'all, we are on the downwind for runway 26 right. There's beautiful Atlanta Airport. Speed brakes are pretty high right now. But there's Atlanta Airport. It's been a very cozy, relaxing flight from Seattle today. It is 11:45 p.m. local time in Atlanta and 8:45 p.m. at the Pacific. Here's the moonlight. Alright, we're beginning that U-turn to go towards runway 26 right. That's Highway 20 right there. We're flying right above. There's our city. There's 75. Porsche. Alright, let's see how this landing is. That was rough.
You kind of have me questioning if I was going to survive.
Probably because you heard the bag. Probably because you heard the bag up there.
I think it was the fog that threw me off when we were first arriving. Like, I guess it caused it to move a little bit more than I've ever done. I was like, yeah. I was like, maybe this one's it. And then Grandpa's biggest fear.
Welcome to Atlanta. Local time is 11:54 p.m.
Ooh.
Please keep your seatbelts on. Our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up.